Hello everyone. I wan make I use this opportunity to explain why your stomach dey make noise. I don decide to talk this thing for pidgin so that people go fit understand am well well. I dey feel pity for many people when they come to say, "Doctor, my stomach dey make noise. I feel say na worm dey inside. Which worm spell you go fit give me?" I dey always dey tell them say, "See, oga, worm no go fit make noise for your stomach. Because if at all you get worm for your stomach, see, that worm, e no go dey for the hollow of the stomach. E go bury themselves for inside muscles, inside the intestines. And that place, space no dey, so the worm no go fit waka to dey make noise. Worm no also get mouth o. Worm no dey talk. So wetin dey make your stomach to dey make noise na when your stomach dey move food from one part to the other. See this one now wey I wan show you now. Do you see how small this place don be? If food don rush now from this big place, pass through this small space now, come enter the other big space. As that food dey pass through that small place, e go make that noise wey you dey hear, brum. And anytime wey you hear that noise, oga, it's one way to tell you say your intestines, they are healthy. If you no dey hear that sound, e mean say you no dey okay. And one way to even confirm this be say, if you no dey hear this sound, watch yourself. You go always dey feel bloated. Anytime wey you notice say you dey feel bloated, watch. You no go dey hear this sound. This sound no go dey too dey like that because your food are not moving as required. And as they're not moving as required, bacteria go come dey act for that food wey dey inside your stomach, and they go come dey decay am. And as they are decaying it, those decay go come dey produce gas. Na im go come make your stomach go come dey big, alright, dey swell. So you go dey feel bloated. But if your stomach dey move like this, as e suppose move, you no go feel that bloated feelings, alright. And you no go also get constipation. And you no go also feel like say you wan vomit. I don't know if you understand the whole thing. So even us wey be doctors, anytime wey we operate patient, if you no hear this sound, we no dey allow that patient make dey comot from hospital, because e mean say that patient, e never dey okay. I don't know if you understand what me dey tell you so. So abeg, if you be those people wey just dey always dey buy medication, anytime wey you hear say your stomach dey move, oga, you no dey help yourself, alright. You dey deceive yourself and you dey kill yourself, because some of these worm expellers, they even dey kill wetin we dey call normal flora wey suppose make you to digest food, alright. And when that one happen, e go also worsen your problem. Abeg, remember to share this video. Many people don dey buy plenty medication they drink, and they really no need this medication, alright. Abeg, make you remember to share this video. E go help a lot of people to run away from all this stomach wahala. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.